Hey guys, how you doing? And welcome. My name is Oscar Ramos. Welcome back to Cronos Army. Some sad news to start, everybody, because we have seen now the fourth crash for MM.Finance, and well, it is what's happening right now for DeFi, for the entire Cronos ecosystem. We see the TVL going down, and even what cracks me up is that the MMF project on Twitter had to post something because there's a lot of people, well, panicking and even panic selling, and they're like, if you believe this project, you can choose to hold. So by the end of this video, I'm going to provide my opinions as far as what's happening with the price of MMF and how's that impacting Cronos ecosystem. Deal? Sit down, relax, and enjoy the show. Like, subscribe, and turn on those notification bells. Let's go ahead and talk about this one, everyone, because I mean, at the end of the day, if you're watching this video, if you're subscribed, if you like Cronos and Crypto.com, we are here for the long term. We're not getting paid, but we're just saying what it is because I think this is a project to hold for later on. And what's happening right now is just one little piece of the entire puzzle. I'm bullish. How about you? Let me know in the comments down below. So everybody, here it is. 4 different crashes, corrections, whatever you want to call it. This in one piece is called a crash. This split it. These are corrections, okay? So from 1.76 to 1.40, I think that was the first one saying, okay, you know, everything's okay, but some people are finally taking profits. And this was triggered by adding MMF to the crypto.com app. Then once again to 1.19, and we're like, oh, what's going on with the price of MMF? Are we in a downtrend? Well, when people realized the price was under $1, yeah, panic started to hit the fan. And of course, 60 cents April 15th. Oh boy. And well, right now we're looking at 76 cents for the price of MMF. And well, you might tell me right now, of course, but I've been saying for a long time that I was waiting for something like this to get in with a delicious position. And well, I got in at around $1, at around 120. And if I get it right now, I will keep adding to my DCA dollar cost average because this price of MMF will continue rising. I'm bullish on that since I know what it does. And it's incredible. Here it is, what cracks me up. MM.Finance just in the morning of today Central Time said, hi all, there has been a bunch of sales that has now cascaded into a full panic sell for most users. And this is what I like. Nothing has fundamentally changed. That is the same thing I repeat myself when I see AMM token, when I see Cardano, when I see Ethereum, Algorand, Bitcoin, and many other projects. We understand what they do. Nothing has fundamentally changed. It's just price has always gonna be manipulated. Just sit down, relax, enjoy, and buy, put them on the side, and make sure that money is working and making money for you. That's it. Always with the good projects. Deal? There's no exploit, no rug pull. Everything's great. If you still believe in the project, our team will deliver and you can choose to hold. There it is, everybody. I like it. I mean, we know, you know what's happening under 2 trillion total market cap. Bitcoin is at 40,000. I mean, what are we going to expect if Bitcoin is at 40,000? Can be 39,000 by the end of the weekend. And then I'm going to continue scrolling. Cronos, 40 cents. If Cronos is not moving, it's really difficult for the Cronos ecosystem to really move when we talk about DeFi, metaverse, and all these liquidity pools. This is what's happening with MMF. And here's one big piece of the pie. For the first time, I'm seeing the Cronos ecosystem TVL go down or trend downwards, right? Because ever since November 15, when things were starting to kick off for Cronos, it's been an uptrend of bullish sentiment and more dApps and more projects coming into the ecosystem. Finally, we reach a peak in the first week of April, and we're seeing right now how the DeFi aspect of Cronos is taking a break and it's selling off. That's it. When you take a look at the TVL, finally we can see an updated mark as VVS, MMF, and Tectonic. They all both are close to the 1 billion in TVL. That's pretty good. Knowing that for MMF, let me open it, that 1.39, my friends, was 1.65. I saw it. And I'm like, wow, this is really going skyrocketing. This is impressive. I remember everybody on the MMF Facebook group and Twitter were like, MMF is unstoppable. It's going to continue. And I'm like, man, I love that bullish sentiment. But just remember, if you don't cash out, people will. That's one of the greatest truths of all in crypto. that not many people understand. And I was like, I want to get into MMF, and I've been repeating this for a while, but I'm not at 1.50, not at 1.70. That's too high. Here's where I want to get into MMF. You understand? Here's where I want to get into MMF, because this project is the #1 in the entire Cronos. Of course, I want to be part of it. I mean, here it is. We're now listed. MMF is available for trading. Let's go ahead and do it. And I'm doing, of course, where are they? My vaults on Cronos. Let's go. I know the prices are down, then the APIs, the APRs, APYs, everything is going to be down. It is what it is. When we take a look at VVS.Finance, for example, 70%. VVS.Finance, I believe yesterday or earlier this week, once again, the developers, the founders, adding 1%, right, to all of us, the diamond holders. I mean, the diamond has that said, because of the people holding and because of the prices right now, we're adding 1% more to this specifically, to the XVVS. That's why if you're doing Cronos on VVS, you better do the vaults, because this is governance, this is long-term, and it allows you to be on the forefront when airdrops or new drops are coming, new launch pads, IGOs. That's why I didn't have to put any more money for Versa token. So here it is. They're adding more. And if you go to Vault and you go to my earnings, right now it's 273%. Not bad. And they keep adding 1% and 1%. So that is good. They reward the diamond holders, right? When we come to Tectonic, 1.18%. That's pretty good. But it was 360, I believe, a day ago. Now it's 1.18%. It is what it is. So things change, and things are changing really, really fast. And for MMF, I mean, 1.38 billion. Will this go down lower? Well, if the price of MMF continues going downwards, well, the answer to that will be a massive yes. Now, it's been a while, right? It's just 1 week, but already crushed the price from here to here. The lowest, 65% down, and that is big. And when we take a look at the Fibonacci levels, we passed this one, which is the 23, the 38, the 50, the 61, and we're getting close to the 78%. Almost a complete, I mean, it's not close to the 100% retracement, but I mean, not 1 or 2 more crashes and we're probably gonna head there. You see that? Now, the difference here is that my Bollinger Bands on the day, it's already touching that bottom. So guess what? Look at the RSI. Look at the stochastic RSI, everybody. It's done already. This is a good opportunity for me to enter and destroy an attack. And if you check my Twitter, I've said that 2 days ago. I've said it when the price was around 130 or so. I don't know the future, but I can tell you what I'm thinking. Dollar cost average right now here, great opportunity. If you are looking to get into MMF, don't be fearful. You don't make money if you're fearful, right? This is crypto. You have to take it, embrace it, put it your head down and buy when it's low, and buy everything that you can afford losing. That is the rule with crypto, right? So the takeaways, everybody. Finally, we start to see some downness here on the TVL on cryptocurrency, specifically on Cronos. It is what it is. That's fine. It's going to happen. It's normal. The crypto fear and greed index, it's fear, my friends. What will we expect right now? If it's fear, there's not much to do, but just accumulate. This is a period where you and I are going to be accumulating our great projects that we believe in. In my case, Cronos ecosystem, MMF, Tectonic, VVS, MMO, Versa token, and many more. There's one more thing I wanted to show you here. You see this? I'm going to open my menu. You see all of these: Versa token, Tectonic, MMF, VVS, MMO, Savannah, all of these great ones that give you a lot of APY. Some of them Versa not yet, but they are down, and they're down at levels that not many people thought of, but it is what it is. That's when I tell you crypto goes lower than you expect and goes higher than you expect. Ready? Thank you very much for watching. The main conclusion is it's going to be fine. This is healthy for crypto. People are taking profits. What are you going to do about it? Sit down, relax on the sidelines, or just get in attack and making sure you have a great position when things go all the way up, because eventually the good projects will survive. Thank you for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, turn on those notification bells. I'm going to keep buying MMF and the rest. Peace.